This is 100 grams of ghee, chombu, and this is 1 kilo of tiger prawns, really big and nice ones. So just add them as a, so that is 1 tablespoon of fish fry masala, whatever masala you like. You can even use chicken masala or chana masala if you like, just doesn't matter. Of coriander powder, that is coriander powder. So that's it. Layering is done. Now close. And cook it on high for a couple of whistles. First for chicken and mutton, a month. Let's settle. It's completely up to you. You can pull it off completely. Let's see what we have inside.
Wow.
The prawns seem to have cooked well. All the juices have been released from the prawn itself. Mix it all up. Give it some time for the masalas to seep into the prawn. That should take you maybe 10-15 minutes. The prawns have retained their shape. They look nice and cooked. Now you can just bottle the whole thing. It will tighten up. The gravy will tighten up. Or taste test. Edunga. Add the paathu taste paathu solunga.
Summer taste
Prawn சாப்பிட்டு பாருங்க. நீங்க நிஜமாவே நல்லா குக் தான் போல் இருக்கே சொன்ன மாதிரியே. சத்தமா சொல்லுமா.
சூப்பரா இருக்கு.
Okay. So this will get better. As you let it seep, it will get better. Right now you can serve it as a prawn masala or a prawn curry or whatever. A couple of tablespoons of vinegar, which will be the preservatives. So that is 1 tablespoon. That's 2 tablespoons. And now it has become a pickle. Mix it all up, bottle it, store it, and in your refrigerator this will last for months together.